Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE X97 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can manage autocorrection. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gbird. Lastly, just tap on Text Correction, scroll down a bit, and tap on this switcher next to Autocorrection. This way, you will always be able to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!